Let's introduce the installation of ATE200 sensor in bus bar. Before installation, make sure sense group number of the sensor and the receiver is the same. Turn on the sensor before installation, after the indicator light flashing twice. Place the sensor in a proper position on the bus bar. Screw the clasp and tighten the strap. Fold back the strap and insert the clasp again. Straighten the sensor. Cut off the extra strap. Installation finish.